If the search has to be made within, is it necessary to be in the physical proximity of the Master? It is necessary to be so until all doubts are at an end. I am not able to concentrate by myself. I am in search of a force to help me. Yes, that is called grace. Individually, we are incapable because the mind is weak. Grace is necessary. Sadhu seva, serving a sadhu, will bring it about. There is, however, nothing new to get. Just as a weak man comes under the control of a stronger one, the weak mind of a man comes under control easily in the presence of strong-minded sadhus. That which is only grace. There is nothing else. Is it necessary to serve the guru physically? The Shastras say that one must serve a guru for 12 years in order to attain self-realization. What does the guru do? Does he hand it over to the disciple? Is not the self always realized? What does the common belief mean then? Man is always the self, and yet he does not know it. Instead, he confounds it with the non-self, the body, etc. Such confusion is due to ignorance. If ignorance is wiped out, the confusion will cease to exist, and true knowledge will be unfolded. By remaining in contact with realized sages, the man gradually loses the ignorance until its removal is complete. The eternal self is thus revealed. You say that the association with the wise, satsanga, and service of them is required of the disciple? Yes, the first really means association with the unmanifest sat, or absolute existence. But as very few can do that, they have to take second best, which is association with the manifest sat, that is the guru. Association with sages should be made because thoughts are so persistent. The sage has already overcome the mind and remains in peace. Being in his proximity helps to bring about this condition in others. Otherwise, there is no meaning in seeking his company. The guru provides the needed strength for this, unseen by others. Service is primarily to abide in the self, but it also includes making the guru's body comfortable and looking after his place of abode. Contact with the guru is also necessary, but this means spiritual contact. If the disciple finds the guru internally, then it does not matter where he goes. Staying here or elsewhere must be understood to be the same and to have the same effect. My profession requires me to stay near my place of work. I cannot remain in the vicinity of sadhus. Can I have realization even in the absence of satsanga? Sat is aham pratyaya saram, the self of selves. The sadhu is that self of selves. He is immanent in all. Can anyone remain without the self? No. So no one is away from satsanga. Is proximity to the guru helpful? Do you mean physical proximity? What is the good of it? The mind alone matters. The mind must be contacted. Satsanga will make the mind sink into the heart. Such association is both mental and physical. The extremely visible being of the guru pushes the mind inward. He is also in the heart of the seeker, and so he draws the latter's inward bent mind into the heart. All that I want to know is whether satsanga is necessary and whether my coming here will help me or not. First, you must decide, what is satsanga? It means association with sat, or reality. One who knows or who has realized sat is also regarded as sat. Such association with sat or with one who knows sat is absolutely necessary for all. Sankara has said that in all the three worlds there is no boat like satsanga to carry one safely across the ocean of births and deaths. Satsanga means sangha, association, with sat. Sat is only the self. Since the self is not now understood to be sat, the company of the sage who has thus understood it is sought. That is satsanga. Introversion results. Then sat is revealed.